what happened to my wonderful tablet? My kids dropped it, broke the screen, bought a new screen, changed it, and the power button stopped working. So like you can see, I'm pressing the power button, doesn't do anything. It's fully charged. And after reading, I found out that if you play around with buttons and everything, it might turn on. None of those tricks worked. And just to let you guys know, this is an RCA model W101V2. So these are quite common. So what I found is, once you charge these fully, you can see right here, usually there's a blue light. Blue light's gone. I found that if you play around with the charging cable, you get your tablet to turn on, unless obviously you have a battery problem, which you'd be able to tell once you open it up and you see the battery all kind of puffier. So if you see, I use this guy to charge. I find it works best with this. So what I do is plug it back in. You should see the battery showing that it's charging, even though it's fully charged. So once the screen turns off again, I'm going to start playing around with the power here, inserting it in and out until it turns off.